Welcome to the Doubletree by Hilton Hotel and Spa in Liverpool, very close to the train station. And before you get off at a central station, like Liverpool Central, check Google Maps. Maybe your hotel's closer to another station. I found out, and it saved me about 10 minutes on the train and about 9 minutes walking. So I'm here. And just walked past the front door making a video. Let's go. There's reception. Okay, let's check out this gorgeous hotel. Wow. Let's go check out 508. Ooh, it's dark in here. Let's put the key in. I have other keys for that though. Wow. Big room. Let's get the bags. Okay. I booked a king standard room and they upgraded me to a 2-queen deluxe room, and it is huge. You should have seen the room I stayed in last time, but I wasn't making videos back then. It's called a mezzanine room. It had a second floor, but you had to climb the stairs to get to the bathroom, but it was gorgeous. This is very nice. 2 queen-size beds. Almost the same map I have at home. Some cool lamps. Antique phone. UK outlets. I don't see any USB yet. They must have done some upgrades in here. Desk with just a couple of empty drawers. A nice comfy chair. 2 comfy chairs over there. Well, there's a hot water heater. Tea kettle with coffee and tea. And an espresso machine with Nespressos. Beautiful. Let's check out the bathroom. Ooh, a big tub. I prefer the stand-up shower, but you know what? When you're gone for a long time and you need to do laundry, tubs work great. It's actually why I booked a second night. And because I'm getting here so late. This is a beautiful bathroom. Stand-up shower. To go with a tub. Bonus. All right. That means I don't have to get my laundry out of the tub when I want to take a shower. Hey, there's a happy guy. All right. Room 508. The Doubletree by Hilton. Liverpool City Center. I'll show you the gym and the restaurant and the bar a little bit later. Ooh, almost forgot the closet. That's so important. Ooh, 4 robes. And a safe. And an ironing board and a hairdryer. And the mini fridge. I'm glad it opens that way because the other way is too close to the wall. And the hairdryers are great to help dry your clothes, unless you want to pay the high prices of hotel laundry. I prefer not to. Sometimes you do. Let's check out the view. I know it's going to be the street. Gotta climb over the furniture to get there. Beautiful clock tower right there. I don't think you can open these windows. Nope. And there's 2 big windows here. All right. That's it. We'll see more later. Look at the height of these ceilings. Oh, the AC. Feels okay in here, but I hope I have control of it. Yes. Let's take a walk down the stairs. It's only 5 floors. The Deacon Suite. Look at all these important people here. Check out the gym. All right, nice gym. Got some weighted balls, spin bikes, other kind of cycling apparatuses and rowing machines and treadmill, one's out of service, elliptical, dumbbells, pull down machine, and I don't know what that is, but it's 20 kilograms. Hey, I'm at the gym again. And it does have a water station and a scale. All right. Not a bad little gym. And it does have a TV. Right off the reception area, there's a couple of great rooms, especially the one with the piano. I wish I could play. Very comfortable area to sit, read, or just type. I have one of those at home. It's a huge building. I guess I do lots of functions here. And the bar and restaurant area were very nice. I didn't get any photos of the breakfast, but it was wonderful. And they had a great local IPA. There was even a very nice outdoor terrace that they called the Cigar Terrace. Check it out, Library Lounge. Not open. Beautiful room. It's a great place, close to all the sites, especially if you're a Beatles fan like I am. Go to the Cavern Club. All you need is love, love. Speaking of love, I love the Ho Ho Bus, and I hope you'll love this video. Please subscribe. We'll see you next time.